how to create Fiverr account. So if you want to create Fiverr account, then first open up your Fiverr application. Once you've opened, now you can simply choose find a service or become a seller. Or you can simply go for sign in option, which is here on the bottom left. Now you can simply tap on join, which is on the bottom right again, to create an account. So if you already have an account, you can continue, but if you don't have, tap on join and then tap on continue with Google, and you can choose a Google account that you would like to continue with, or you can choose sign up with email, and you need to enter your email. Enter your email and then you need to enter a public username, and once you've entered, you need to enter the password. So the username should be between 6 to 15 characters. So enter the username and then you need to enter the password. So the password must be at least with 8 characters. It should contain at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and at least one number. So make sure to enter a strong password. Once you enter the password, tap on sign up. And here it says that this email cannot be registered. So you just need to enter a new email which is suitable and tap on sign up. And that's it. You can save your password and your account has been created. So in order to use your account, you need to activate your account. So tap on activate your account, and here you just need to do one more thing. They've just sent an email address to confirm if it's you or not. So you just need to go for the email address which you have just chosen. Once you open the email address, here you will have the Fiverr activate your new account option. So you just need to go for that mail, and here you just need to tap on activate your account. And that's it. Your account has been successfully activated. That's it. That's how you can create a Fiverr account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.